Uses this Sirona's before and after toilet spray. It has got various advantages when compared to other products. Only a disinfectant but also a deodorizer. The product has got a very good and pleasant smell. So whenever you spray this, it kind of gives me a chocolatey smell, so which I absolutely love, and it is very mild. That too, it's not too overpowering, but also it is also deodorizes, so that is very important in any toilet spray, because spray it, and if it has got a very overpowering smell, then even you will feel very uncomfortable. But it's 99.99% of the germs. Use it twice. So first one is before use to disinfect for your safety, after use to deodorize for other person's comfort. Products comes in 3 variants, that is 100 ml, 200 ml and 300 ml. So this one is 100 ml product and it retails for 189 Indian rupees.